My name is Tim Smith. I farm near Eagle Grove, Iowa. I raise 400 acres of corn and 400 acres of soybeans, and I also plant cover crops. I feel very fortunate that I can host a field day today. You know, getting other farmers interested in planting cover crops I think is very important, because I feel, at least on my own operation, that it's of a long-term benefit to use cover crops. I think back about 40 years ago when my dad sold the mow-blower plow. That was a big change in our farming operation. And I think much today, planting cover crops is almost that big of a change in farming systems. It's something fairly new in the Midwest. My goal is that in coming years, more farmers will adapt the use of overwintering cover crops. The reason I joined the Soil Health Partnership was I've heard a lot of farmers ask about what the benefits are of cover crops. And I can describe a lot of the physical benefits and how it protects my soil and how it protects water, but a lot of farmers want to know the economic parts of it, and that's what the Soil Health Partnership addresses. It's going to help quantify those benefits of using cover crops. I think probably the most important resources we have in this country are our soil, our productive soil, and our water, and it's just very important to care for those. The consumer cares about them. We should care about them also. The future use of cover crops on this farm I think is very important, and I think when I retire, depending on what the adoption rate is in the area, I'm going to be fairly specific about how this farm is farmed, because I've done all the hard work. You know, I've made the mistakes, and hopefully I can transition the next person that farms this farm into using cover crops and just continuing that on. But in terms of protecting the soil on this farm long term, I think cover crops are key to that.